pump the jam. Pump the jam.
Are you ready to rock out with your rock out? I'm Marcia Prince.
I'm Jackie Tarleton, and we are
the Plant Chicks.
Welcome. We are so glad you're trying the Plant Chics 7-Day Starter Kit. Girl, we get it. We've been on a million diets too, but the plant-based diet is the last diet you'll ever do because it's a lifestyle.
On this lifestyle, you're going to fall into one of three categories. Maybe you're plant curious. You have a ton of questions about a plant-based lifestyle. That's okay, we have the same questions. We are here to educate you and empower you through your plant-based journey. Or you could be a part-time plant chick. That means you've dabbled in the plant-based lifestyle, but you haven't fully made the commitment. You have a ton of questions, and maybe you haven't found your tribe. That leads us to the plant-based pros. We have mastered the plant-based lifestyle, but it's hard to find community. That's why we created the Plant Chics tribe. We're here to empower you and lift you up when you need it and give you that support.
So what's in the Plant Chics 7-Day Starter Kit? We have whole food plant-based nutrition, a variety of exercises so you can show off those plant-based nutrition gains. We have a ton of resources like podcasts, documentaries, and books. And last but not least, mindset. You can know everything about nutrition, but without the proper mindset, you fall back into the diet traps, and we want you here on the lifestyle.
We answer common questions like, where will I get my protein? Will fruit make me fat? Do I need to count my macros? We answer all those and many more. So join our free Plant Chics 7-Day Starter Kit and let us cheer you on.